I'm Chef Dede from Rate My Plate on Mzansi Magic. Today for your hearty harvest time tip, we're making a pea puree. The ingredients for this dish are the main ingredient, the peas, the cream, the mint, butter, salt, and pepper. It's that easy. Peas as they are frozen, put them in a container because you're going to blend them. Then add a bit of cream in there, mint, and a little bit of salt, just a tad bit of salt. So now what we're going to do is just run it through the heat a little bit so that we can start to thicken it and cook out whatever was left in there that was not already cooked. I mean, look at that beautiful green. It's at this point now that you can chuck in your black pepper. Just let it simmer until all this excess liquid is out. We're not plating it, we're using it as it's enhancing everything that we're going to put on the plate with it. And that is your hearty harvest time pea puree. It's your turn to cook.